Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Atomium is an international tourist attraction and become the most famous and popular monument of Brussels, Belgium. This unique piece of architecture, created on the occasion of the World Fair of Brussels in 1958. It is established by 9 spires, one spare on each of the 8 tops and one in the center. These 9 spires are connected by 20 tubes, the whole resting on 3 pillars. The total height is 102 m, diameter of spares is 18 m, diameter of tubes 3m30, and the total mass in 1958 is 2.400 tons. Aside from this is the most popular tourist attraction in Brussels, this is also serves as a museum, an art center, and a cultural destination. It's about 102 meters, 335 feet tall, and it is one of the tallest structures in Belgium. The original structure symbolizes an iron crystal enlarged 165 billion times. At the foot of this atomium, they also what they called mini Europe. It is only a walking distance, so we just walk over there. It is a pretty cool park, beautiful, and we enjoyed so much. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click like, comment below, and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. See you next time.